Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be guiding you how to create an automated report in SolidWorks simulation. We being into projects, we take like the report generation takes a lot more of a time. If the stipulated time for a project is of 10 days, 2 days for it will take us 2 days to generate report itself, right? So counter this, SolidWorks has given us a feature which we have an option to create a report automatically. So you don't have to give any of the guidelines for it. The SolidWorks software itself will be generating a report for us. Now, I would like to relate you with a small example. This is a thermal study I've done. There are three configurations in this. In the initial study, I have created a steady state thermal analysis and I've got some of the result out of it. Here we have four chips. Let me hide this. We have four chips which generate some heat, and there is a substrate which is made up of ceramic porcelain. Now there is the heat generation of 0.2 wattage from the complete four chips combined, and next there is a convection for the phases I've selected. So, and the second configuration is the transient study where the temperature is defined with respect to temperature. Now all this combined is imported into structural analysis. So the result output from thermal is completely taken into the static analysis to know the thermostructure interaction of this component in specific. Now, if this is the case, this really takes a lot more of a time to generate a report manually. So we need to give every single material we have fed in, we have to give the mesh elements, we need to count it, like you will be getting the details over here. So these details will be manually fed in. Look, this is really hectic and it really takes a lot more of time. And in projects, time is very precious, I believe. So to make use of time more effectively, we have a feature here. You could see report. Once you click, with a single click, all your data which you used to create this study will be written in a Word document. It really happens like if your model is so complex, it will take some more time, roughly for 20 to 30 minutes, but a basic model of this kind will be taking hardly 1 minute. You could see it is giving all the boundary conditions and the result outputs, all the pre-post processing features of SolidWorks study we have done. So here you could see the simulation of computer chip, the date, and you could edit the designer name, the study name, and the total report is of 10 pages. So every page is described with its content, and the description of the study could also be given over here. Once done, the assumptions could be made. The model information which you intend to give to your client could be fed in here. All the other details of the CAD model and the material properties and the volumetric properties of the chip or whatsoever which we have fed in could also be seen here, and its file location and the date. This is so precise. And the weight of it, the study properties, the studies we have done, you could, as we have done the study state analysis, you've also got that as well. Next, the model reference, with respect to time, the graph has been plotted automatically in, like there is no dedicated guideline which we need to feed in. The software itself will be automatically generating a report for us. So these are the loads we have given. And the mesh information, this we need to feed in manually. It really takes more time, but the report generation, automatic report generation, will be making it in no time. This is the mesh, how accurate are mesh elements or the discretization in SolidWorks component. So these are the end results, like the due to the thermal stress, how the component is getting. So the conclusion, you could conclude what you want to conclude. So it really matters, like this really saves time. So that's all how that's all I wanted to say, and this is how quick the tasks will be made. So hope you people will be using this automatic report generation in coming projects. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.